Okay, it's Carl here with Tahiti by Carl. Welcome to the InterContinental Moana Resort Bora Bora. So this is one of their overwater bungalows. So you can see this is going to give you a real classic old world Tahitian feel of a property. The maintenance is done all the time, so they're old, but they are in very good shape. The coffee table here, your top will slide back, and so you can feed the fish down below, and they've got you can see there's a fish down below, and you got the coral there, you know, the couch here with your flat screen TV over here, and then into the bedroom area with the lovely comfy looking beds. So like I say, older property, but everything, you know, your beds are good, your linens are good, the quality of the maintenance is fantastic. Closet in there with your bathrobes, your safe, life jackets. And then around here, you can see the bathroom with the makeup table. You do have the bathtub there. 2 sinks. And then over here, there's shower with the larger dispensers to be environmentally friendly. Oh, and it is the Algotherm, which is great. Great product. And the water closet. And then let me just take you quickly outside here for a quick look of the, oh, if you can see, there's a big stingray out there. Big stingray hanging out there in the lagoon just outside this bungalow. But let me just quickly take you outside here. Oh, sorry, 1 second. I just have to take the security latch off. And then here you are. So you have 2 sun loungers, a table, 2 chairs, and then a beautiful location, this property at Matira Beach. Matira Beach just on the other side there with lovely views. And there's that stingray cruising right along. So once again, this is Carl from Tahiti by Carl here, showing you the InterContinental Moana Resort. When you're looking at planning your trip down to French Polynesia, reach out to us. We are your Tahitian experts to plan and customize memorable Tahitians for you.